What's up, my beautiful dollars family? You're all welcome back to my YouTube channel. Happy Sunday to everyone out there, and greetings from the United Arab Emirates, Allen City to be precise. Yes, guys, so thank you for joining me once again in the dollars family. And if you're first time stumbling here, please do not forget to subscribe, like, and share. And do not forget to turn on the notification bell so that each time I bring updates, good updates, educational updates to you, you'll be the first to get notified. Yeah, guys, if you're my returning subscriber, I say thank you so very much for always checking on me, for always stopping by, for always liking, for always commenting on my videos. Yeah, guys, so today I bring you something that concerns health, because health is very important. And like I told you, I'm a health personnel, and this channel is all about health, lifestyle, and media vibes. So today we shall be talking about health, and I bring to you a very important topic because it's something that is very common and rampant. It happens to many people, but they don't know how to handle it or how to go about it. So I thought it wise to share with you some of the causes of frequent urination. You all know what I mean by frequent urination. Do you have pain or burning when you urinate? You might have a urinary tract infection. So I'll be listing some of the causes of frequent urination, and I'll be listing some risk factors of urinary tract infections, and I'll be listing also some causes of frequent urination. So like I said, do you have pain or burning when you urinate? You might have a urinary tract infection. What is urinary tract infection? So I would like to give you guys a definition of this urinary tract infection. So if you're just joining in, please watch this video to the end so that you understand what I'm trying to say, because this is a very educative video. So stay tuned and listen to all what I have to say. So what is urinary tract infection? UTI, urinary tract infection, are common infections that happen when bacteria, often from the skin or rectum, the rectum, that's the anus, bacteria from the skin or anus enter the urethra. The urethra is the, I don't want to use some words here on YouTube, the woman body. Yeah, when bacteria, often from the skin or rectum, enter the urethra and infect the urinary tract. The infections can affect several parts of the urinary tract, but the most common type is the bladder infection. So now I'll be listing to you some of the risk factors of the urinary tract infection. So some people are at higher risk of getting a UTI. UTIs are more common in females because their urethras are shorter. The urethra of a woman or of a lady is shorter than that of men. This makes it easier for bacteria to enter the urinary tract because of the nature of the woman body. Yeah, so it's easy for a woman to contract a UTI than a man. Other factors that can increase the risk of UTIs, so I'll be listing some of the risk factors. One of them is not staying hydrated. That is, you don't drink enough fluid, you don't take enough water during the day, you don't hydrate yourself, and fruits as well. So it's always good to take much water. So if you're not taking much water, you're not staying hydrated, it's a risk factor of you contacting a urinary tract infection. Also, another factor is holding urine for longer periods. Some people, some people like holding urine for a very long time. You feel as to pee, but you're like, let me just finish to do what I'm doing, then I go to the washroom, or let me just finish cooking, let me just finish washing clothes. So it's not a good practice. If you're holding urine for a longer period, you are predisposed, you are a risk factor. So once you feel as to pee, once you feel as to go to the washroom, make sure you do that immediately. And then another point is improper wiping. Like when you go to the washroom, you poo, there's a method of which you need to clean yourself, not going back and front. You clean yourself. For the ladies, you clean yourself from front to back. You don't clean from the anus to the vagina. No, if you do that, you carry bacteria from the rectum to the urethra, which is not a good thing. The toilet will be exposed. So do not clean yourself front and back. Improper wiping, that's going back and front after using the toilet, will expose the urethra. So do not do that. Another aspect is sexual intercourse, which can introduce bacteria into the urinary tract. If you have sexual intercourse with someone which is not healthy as well, you can also get infected with the UTI. So another factor is chronic medical problems such as diabetes that affect the immune system. So if you have diabetes, you also have to be careful about this. And changes in the structure of the urinary system, such as during pregnancy. We all know when you are pregnant, the bladder becomes very um the bladder becomes very active because of the weight of the baby. So most of the times pregnant women experience going to the washroom often. This is because of due to the weight of the baby. This one I think is just something which is temporal. It's not a permanent risk factor, because once you put to bed and all that will be gone. So now some of the causes I'm going to give you right now, some causes of the frequent urination. The first one I listed are the risk factors. So I'm going to be giving you right now the causes. Some of the causes of frequent urination is bladder stones, similar to kidney stones. Another aspect is diabetes, because you all know those who are diabetic are always visiting the washroom. So those are some of the causes of frequent urination. Yeah, so if you have diabetes, it's another factor. Then weakened pelvic floor muscles. This one I think is related to more of the aging people, our old parents, because they are weak, their bladders are weak. It can cause them to have frequent urination. So this one is like some sort of nature, because as we grow old, that is how the organs of our bodies also grow old, right? Yeah, so weakened pelvic floor muscles are also another, is also another cause of frequent urination. And we also have excessive caffeine, nicotine, alcohol, artificial sweeteners may also irritate the bladder worse and worsen frequent urination symptoms. So if you are somebody who takes coffee too much, the caffeine, you take sweeteners a lot, you take alcohol a lot, just know that you are predisposed to frequent urination, which is not a good sign in the human body. So if you know that you are an alcoholic or you are fond of taking caffeine, try as much as possible to stay away from it, because it's not a good sign. So these are some of the causes and risk factors of frequent urination and urinary tract infection I said I should share with you, because we all know our health is very important, and there are things that might be happening in our bodies and we don't know exactly what to do. So in such cases, if you find yourself in such a situation, make sure that you consult your doctor as well. Another cause of the UTI: age or older adults and young children are more likely to get UTIs. Structural problems in the urinary tract, such as enlarged prostate, is another problem. Poor hygiene, for example, in children who are potty training. Yeah, so poor hygiene also can also lead to that. And pain or burning while urinating. Symptoms of bladder infection can also include pain or burning while urinating. If you have pain, if you feel pain while urinating, it's a very bad sign, so you need to have yourself checked. And frequent urination, like I said, feeling the need to urinate despite having an empty bladder. There are times you just feel like to urinate, meanwhile your bladder is not even full. Have you ever gone to the washroom and you want to pee and you realize that maybe just a drop comes out, but you have the urge to urinate but nothing comes out? So those are some of the signs also, so you need to take that very seriously. Pressure or cramping in the groin or lower abdomen is another problem. And symptoms of kidney infections also, because it's also related to this urinary tract infection. Some symptoms of the kidney infection can also include fever. You might have fever, you might have chills, lower back pain or pain in the side of your back, nausea and vomiting. Yeah, so those are some of the signs. And younger children may not be able to tell you about urinary tract symptoms they are having, while fever is the most common sign. So if your baby has fever, you should also take note, yeah, that the baby might be having a urinary tract infection, though the baby might not be able to express him or herself to tell you what exactly is happening, but fever is one of the signs. So when your baby has fever, if you're going to check up, make sure you check everything detailedly, because you might never know. And if you have concerns that your child may have a UTI, talk to a healthcare provider. Yeah, like I said, so always have your children checked. If you have an idea or if you're suspecting or they have one of these signs that I have just mentioned, make sure you check a healthcare provider so that they'll be able to handle it properly. Yeah, guys, so this is what I have for you today for health sector. I'll be bringing you more updates regarding health as days go by, so that we keep informing and educating ourselves about the things we are supposed to know and the things we are supposed to do, so long as the anatomy of the body is concerned. Yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. And if you've watched me up to this moment and you haven't subscribed, please, guys, support your girl and let's grow together. This is Mama Dollar. This is the Dollars vlog. You're welcome once more. Please do not forget to press on the notification bell. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to leave a comment so that I understand, or I know that what I'm giving out is important and is beneficial to you all. So do not forget to leave a comment in the comment section. So this is all I have for you today. Have a blessed day and a great weekend. And like I said, put your orders for Fancy Glow, guys. Put your orders for Fancy Glow and I'm gonna deliver to you right at your doorstep. Fancy Glow is an organic skincare, and we have various shades. No matter your shade, no matter your color, we have everything for you. So put your orders and I'll deliver right at your doorstep. So if you need any visa, if you need tourist visa, if you have some people back home who needs to come to UAE, contact the Dollars vlog for your tourist visas. Yes. So guys, once more, thank you for watching up to this moment. Please like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and keep sharing my videos so that others can also learn, because these are educative videos that we all need to know about. Yes, there are times you just need to click on channels and watch the informations given out there, and it will help you in one way or the other to adjust in your lifestyle. So this is what I got for you today. Thank you for watching the Dollars vlog. Thank you for always supporting the Dollars vlog. Thank you for always coming by the Dollars family. I love you guys so much. I love you all, my returning subscribers. Please keep watching, keep liking, keep sharing. Have a blessed day. Ciao and bye bye.